In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Claude so Claude can access, read, and help organize your Notion content. To get started, open Notion and prepare the page or database you want Claude to use. This part is important because Claude can only work with the content you intentionally make available. So before connecting anything, take a moment to confirm that the page is the correct one, that the information inside is organized the way you want, and that any private material you do not want included has been removed or placed elsewhere. If you're using a database, make sure the titles and properties are clear so the results Claude gives you are easier to understand. Next, create or connect a Notion integration if required. Depending on your current setup, you may already have an integration ready to use, but if not, this is the stage where you create one inside Notion's integration settings. The purpose of the integration is to allow Claude to communicate with your Notion workspace in a secure and controlled way. Once that's done, copy the Notion integration token. This token acts like a secure access key for the connection, so handle it carefully and avoid sharing it publicly or storing it in an unsafe place. You'll use it in the next part of the setup to let Claude authenticate with Notion. After that, go back to Notion and share the correct page with the integration. This is a step people often miss. Even if the integration exists and the token is correct, Claude still won't be able to access your content unless the specific Notion page or database has been shared with that integration. Double check that you're sharing the exact page you want Claude to work with, not just a parent page or a different section of your workspace. Now open Claude or your Claude workspace. From there, add the Notion connection or integration details. This is where you paste or enter the required access information so Claude can link to your Notion content. Be careful when entering the details, since even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. Once the connection is in place, ask Claude to read, summarize, or organize your Notion content. You can start with a simple request to confirm everything is working. For example, have Claude summarize a page, extract key points, or help structure notes into a cleaner format. Finally, test the setup and adjust permissions if Claude cannot access the page. If something doesn't work, the issue is usually related to sharing settings or page access rather than the connection itself. Review the permissions, confirm the correct page was shared, and try again. Once it's working, you'll have a smooth setup that makes it much easier to use Claude with your Notion workspace.